my crazy baby, huh? You a good boy, Moo. Did you just play a little bit with your Xena? Oh, there's the woos. And of course, Maddie. Oh, did you play? Oh, Xena's got the zoomies. Xena's got the zoomies. What? You're spicy. Little Miss Maddie's out here too. They all have their 4th of July collars on. Oh, Z. Go play. What? You're noisy. I'm gonna have to replace that. Little Miss Maddie. Hi. Best friends, huh? 2 best friends. Don't bite my hand. What was that for? All 3 of my babies. Maddie's the only one that can seem to keep decorate. What are you doing? What are you doing? What is little Miss Xena doing? Oh, look at you. You need bath. You've needed a bath anyways, huh? I know, it's almost 90 degrees out here. It's supposed to be 97 today. What are you doing? Xena, what are you doing? You're dirty. You did the dirties, huh? You got your mud, the dirt. Look at this side of your face. Oh my God. Look at your cheeks, Xena. And this one you can't even tell. And this one just keeps being a goof. What are you doing? Okay, so this part of the yard has already been raked. I have to get the cobwebs off the chair, clean that up a little bit, and then I have to clean all along the fence line. I'm thinking about maybe taking that brick and putting it in here in the yard, because I don't know why he does this, but he likes to poop and pee on bricks and stuff like that. Whoa! Almost fell over on a dog. So I'm seriously thinking about taking this brick over here. There's no other bricks or anything like that I can use to see about getting. Let's go check. Music. What's that, Xena? Come on. You get good boy. You stay here. And because your nickname is Houdini, there. You ready? Let's go see. I got to clean all of this. This is our fridge. We have to get a tarp for over that. Hubby checked the grill. As far as we know, there's no wasp nest in here. Why is there a can? It's empty. Jesus. Alright, let's see here. Okay. There's a few there's, Jesus, it scared me. There was one under there. There's a whole bunch of hornets on the floor here. But this nest is still rather active from what it looks like. There is, oh God, I'm allergic to this. There's a nest down there. There's a few in there. I don't know. I gotta go find my damn dog. Mophie! Oh, there you are! There's Nuggets! There's the cutie! No, this is Poison. He likes to carry things for Mama. Alright. So, I'm gonna get this all cleaned up. We have to re-stabilize this. So, that's gonna be fun. I don't know how soon we're gonna have to replace our propane tanks. I hope it's not soon, but we'll figure it out. I need to go through this as well, figure all of that out. I need to get the broom from inside and get the cobwebs off. I don't like kind of how worn it looks. But yeah, so we're gonna get all this cleaned up. Why is there a wasp there? Where's that wasp going? Oh, I also gotta talk to the neighbor, but I don't know if he's home or not. Nope. Okay, I don't know how well you guys can see this. There is quite literally a baby bird just like fell from the damn tree. I heard something hit and I wasn't sure what it was. I was instructed to not touch them because if I touch them, the mama bird won't come back, I guess. Why? Oh, now it's making noises. What kind of bird are you? I don't like being this close to you. Oh, it's so cute. Are you doing chirp chirps? Huh? You're a cutie. Except I am not coming any freaking closer to you. I don't know if it's hurt or not. I don't know what kind of bird this is. It looks like it's got a red chest of some sort. The wind keeps knocking it over. Hi! Don't you come any closer. No, don't. You stay there. No! I am not your mama. I am your mother. You listen to me. Hi, cutie. I'm just minding my own. This little cutie just comes out of nowhere. There was another one by the blazer. I honestly don't know what to do with this. Should we name it? I'm kind of worried if Mufasa finds you, baby. What if a big dog finds you? Hi. I genuinely don't know what to do with this. It's chirping like crazy. The mama bird was here for like a split second. honestly don't know what to do. Like I said, I'm here, like, raking all of this because I had to pull a wire out of his paw. Oh my god, I don't know what to do. It's jumping around, so it can obviously move. Oh my god. What are you after?
What?
Looky,
What, baby?
there's a bird out here.
Yeah, you told me.
I don't care for it.
There's also a Dane out here who's being very loud.
I know, she's been loud since she got put in that yard.
What? Well, good morning to you too, Ms. Butt.
Daddy called you a butthead. Are you a butthead? No. You're not a butthead. You're noisy.
You're noisy. Yes, you are.
You're noisy. And so are you.
Has that been kind of, has this...
Baby bird.
Uh-huh.
The baby bird. Don't you
Yeah.
dare. Hey. No. Hubby's coming to help us with this baby bird. Don't hurt him.
I'm trying not to.
Come on, baby. Oh, God. Ugh. Hey, don't eat that. I'd put him in the shade, honey.
I'm gonna put him down here.
Okay.
Oh, my knee.
Look at this baby bird. I am not coming any closer. Where's my dog?
Over there. I know, little one. I know. Mr. Moo.
Come here, Nugget. Bubba's, come here. Good boy.
There you go, buddy.
See how he's sticking his wing out like that? No, don't.
Yeah.
Okay, little buddy. Have a good life. Okay?
Okay. You happy now?
Good morning. My hair is wild. I guess this is what I get for doing it with no mirror this time around. Okay. So, it's the next day. It is absolutely crazy. So, you guys may or may not know, but I've been trying to teach Mufasa more than any of them. Basically, I have to re-potty train him to go into the yard. I'm trying to get his leash right now, and it's not working very easily. Where in the hell did I put it? Oh, good grief. Where did I put it? Hi, Nugs. Hi, cutie. Hello, my baby. You ready to go potty? You want to go potties? Well, I guess I could try it with no leash. Hell with it. We'll try it with no leash. Okay. So, I want to try a new kind of morning routine type thing, but it seems like every time I go to run Mufasa, he knows how to get treats out of us. Like, he knows what to do. He's not a stupid dog by any means. He figures out ways to get treats, basically. And, or, if he can't get the treats and he has his food down, he will eat. Now, for dogs, it's suggested that you don't let them play or exercise for at least an hour, if not 2. And I have always tried to aim for that 2-hour mark. That way I know he's safe to exercise. However, every single time when I go to exercise him, I will fluff it up in one way or another. Whether that's me feeding him and or giving him treats. So, I am going to get this boy out to the potty. Yeah, we're gonna go potties. You wanna go potties? We're gonna try this with no leash, which is kind of a risky thing with him right now, considering he absolutely loves to pee and poo on a brick at my neighbor's house. So, we've been teaching him to go into the yard to go potty, and I might have to find some kind of brick and put it in the yard for him to do what he likes to do and potty on a brick. So here we go, I guess. Okay, ready? Go to the yard. Go. Good boy! He did that all on his own. He doesn't have a leash on or a collar on. I need to get them new water. Crap. Okay, well, hello there. My neighbor's puppy is out, and oh my god, he's cute. Ew. I don't want my dogs drinking that. What the hell? Yuck. Okay. Did you do poops? Go poops. No. Don't you say no. Go poops. I know you have to, dude. Mosey, baby. Go poops. Go do a poops. And that's a pee. Stinker, that's a pee. Go poops. See, this is what I mean about the damn bricks. He's trying to get to it, but do a poops. And squat. But yes, I'm gonna go rinse this inside and put it back outside. Hi, cutie. I have to take both of these garbage bags to the dump. What are you doing? Hi. Hi, Nugget. You're such a cutie. So, yesterday, him and the neighbor dog are playing now. Raked the entire yard. Got a couple of piles going here. We did have to, wait a minute. Weren't there 2 posts over there yesterday? The hell? What is going on over here? Hey, Lizzie. No, sir. I have my back turned for 1 damn second. What are you doing? Go play. Go play. Go play with the puppies. Put your hackles down, buddy. He's trying so hard to play He's trying so hard. He's being a cutie. He's trying. You're trying, buddy. Good job. Put your hackles down, please. No need for that, okay? So I guess I have to finish in here. This freaking baby bird came out from nowhere, fell and hit that, scared the hell out of me, and I turned around and the baby bird was right there. I have to go back and look at those pictures because I am pretty sure there was 2 posts here. Let me go do that real quick. Hold on. Okay, so I got Mr. Musi on the treadmill. He's doing a speed of 3.2, and I think I'm gonna put him on for 10 minutes, and then hopefully later today get him back on here and do at least 15. That's my plan. I don't know if it's gonna work, but here we are. We're gonna make him do some treadmill walkies. Devil dog? What do you mean a devil dog for? And then Conehead. Yes, my Conehead. Oh, Conehead's devil dog too. Okay. Gotta get the dogs some water. I have to figure out a way to reorganize this because this is not gonna work. I also brought home the carpet cleaner from storage. I have the attachment hose right there because this damn thing decided that she was going to poop on the carpet, not once, but twice. And there is a poop stain right there. And this giant stain is Mufasa's 4th of July accident that happened. So, yeah, needless to say, the carpet desperately needs to be cleaned. There's just, like, a bunch of spots, and I get the feeling I'm going to be getting a lot of questions about this. Sometimes Mufasa gets lazy, doesn't want to get up, so I try to make sure he has everything he needs. A lot of his enrichment toys are in here, but there's like a toy that I tried to make for him, a Bully Make box subscription toy, which I would like to start again, and then the yellow bone, which turns out to be one of his absolute favorite chew toys. And my mom actually got this one for him. He chews on it quite often, however, you cannot tell. Like, you can't tell at all. There's like no teeth marks on it. Anyway, toy box, bone box, which I have to sneeze. Excuse me. I am trying something new. I don't know how well this is gonna work, but I want to I have 2 decorations. The best things in life are furry, and then live, love, and bark. I absolutely love things like this. I want to put those up here, but I want to keep my Wookiee up there. We put it up there because we thought that my desk was going to be over here. I, however, did not like this. And then even with this, with everything behind me, I couldn't get in and out very easily. So hubby took my desk from over here and put it here. And we just switched Mr. Mufasa's spots. Also, thank you to maintenance guy. He doesn't want his name online, but he helped us fill in a giant hole. So I don't know what to do with this. I think this is just probably how it's gonna stay, and I just noticed that. God dang it. And then this is like shrinking this thing, so I'm not really sure what to do with it. And then of course reserved for the dog, and then he's got an anchor pillow. He was pulling a bunch of stuffing out of this pillow yesterday. I don't know if I should get him a new one or like what's going on with that. The frog was supposed to be mine, but he straight up stole it, so I want the decorations up there. I want something above this damn window, and I'm thinking about doing the same over here, and then maybe putting the scarf up here, and then the banner thing up and across this. I don't know. I don't know. And then this damn thing is quite literally sideways. Like, I don't know what to do with this. Maintenance guy gave us this extra light. I always try to keep some kind of hydrogen peroxide for the dogs. As some of you may or may not know, we had a very scary situation happen when Mufasa got one of my migraine abortive pills, which at the time was a medication called sumotriptan. This, I 100% believe, saved his life at that point. I had no way to get it to him, so I do have like a whole bunch of random stuff in the bottom part of this, and then some more random shit just everywhere. But I do try to keep things that I can use on my dogs at all times. Like, if I don't have it, it bothers me. And then I have this like Simply Saline stuff, and I think this is what helped get rid of a bump in his paw. I'll have to show you guys what he's done, but I do believe that this helped quite a bit. Anyway, I have quite the other stuff to do, so it was suggested to me to bring home some kind of puzzle that he knows and that he knows how to do. And this particular one is by Outward Hound. Outward Hound has no idea who I am, but I absolutely love Outward Hound puzzles and slow feeders. And then this one, he seems to be having a hard time getting at that you can move this and it drops food. However, this at one point was his food plate that he had, so not really understanding why he's having such a hard time with this, but I'm gonna talk to my trainer about it, I think, because I've tried everything that I know to do with this, and he doesn't seem to understand it very well. So we've been trying to work with this. It's been a little bit frustrating. So we did end up bringing that one home, and like I said, he's got enrichment toys down here, and usually if he wants something in particular down there, he will go and get it, and then quite possibly bring it to either me or hubby, and then we'll load it up with treats and stuff for him to do. So yeah, I have quite the stuff to do, and I brought some of Maddie's stuff home, which I will show you later, but for now I am gonna go and finish all of this, and we will see where we are at. I'm starting to get to the point where I should just give up on my hair looking any type of good. Okay, so earlier I said I would show you some of the stuff that I brought home for little Miss Maddie. As of recently, I have been using a lot of like harnesses and vests. So I have one here that I made, and then one obviously that was got off of Amazon. Now, the one that was taken off of Amazon, I don't know if the company still exists. If they do, I can't find them anywhere. Like, I have no idea where they went. So, take it with a grain of salt, I guess. So this is a medium paw shoppy dog harness. I really like this. We obviously put the D-ring on the front. We were trying to teach Maddie, because she can afford to lose a couple of pounds. But we were trying to teach her how to walk on the treadmill. She just never understood it. So that's why the D-ring is there. There is something itching my damn arm. Oh well, hello there. One of my own hairs. But like I said, I don't know if this company still exists or not. Mufasa has one of these, and I absolutely love it for spring, summertime. And I'll be quite honest, with his, I kind of want to take this one off of Maddie's and put it on his. That way he just has something in the front. But this is paw shoppy. Like I said, I absolutely love these harnesses. Maddie and Mufasa both have one. Why is my shirt being so weird? There's that. Now, this next one, like I said earlier, I made this. A lot of people don't seem to think I can sew. Not really sure why, but this, I think, is too freaking cute to not use. Little Miss Maddie's set again. D-ring, buckle, plastic thing, adjuster thing. I do wish I went with a metal one of the adjuster instead of a plastic one, but this is just too damn cute. I gave the maintenance man, who, let me clarify something. Maintenance man and my neighbor now are the same person. Maintenance man does not want his name online. I'm not going to do that to him. I'm not like that. But maintenance man and neighbor on that side are the same person. The neighbor over here is, what I've heard, a very good electrician, which I talked to him a little bit about the electricity problem in here. I've not heard anything back, so I don't really know what's going on with that. Okay, here is just like a basic leash. I've always kind of preferred to put them at like customizable lengths, which this one doesn't have an adjuster on it, which it honestly just kind of depends whether you like that or not. I tend to prefer, come here, got it. Oh, freaking gnats everywhere today. And then this is an X-Back style harness for little Miss Maddie. Now, this doesn't have any kind of adjusters on it, which I really like. I did not expect to like that as much as I actually do. So, she's got a collar, a leash, and a harness all in this set. Now, again, the bag I messed up a little bit on it, which is part of the reason I have it. But before I get into this, before my trainer, I was 100% against prong collars. I still am. I do not like them. For the way that I see it is, prong collars are training tools, and that's it. The minute that the dog understands what you're trying to teach it to do, and it does it on a more reliable time, I guess, I immediately took Mufasa off the prong collar. Once my trainer gave me the go-ahead to get a chain style collar, I went and I did that immediately. Now, I don't want Mufasa to stay on a chain collar either, but it's where he's at, okay? I want to be able to work him on a flat buckle collar someday. That's my goal with him. And like I said, with my trainer, I am learning how to do that. Maddie, throughout Maddie's working career, she had a very hard time initially understanding heel, basically. Her walking beside me was not in her to-do list at any point. So when we brought the prong collar to Maddie, I started really working with her, and she eventually understood, which I have a video on my tablet that I can actually share with you guys. I've shared it multiple times before, but you can see how well she does with the prong collar. And in that particular video, Mufasa was the main thing that I was trying to work with, but we wanted to take all three of our dogs out with us, and I had to have my husband walk behind me and film what Mufasa was doing. Now, at one point, you hear Xena yelp. He accidentally corrected her a little bit too hard. Just kind of is what it is. Okay, so little Miss Maddie, her color, if you can't figure it out, is hot pink. I messed up on this a little bit, but hell, it has worked really well for us. And of course, I really do like the floating O-rings or the floating D-rings. I prefer D-rings out of all of it, but again, it is to me and Maddie's length of where it sits on the top of her neck to the very tip of my finger. So we have that. I also have a regular leash. This one has been well loved. You guys can't really see it, but it's kind of fuzzy. This one has been well loved. For out of all of her leashes, this is the one that we use the most. And then, like I said, 100% against prong collars. I still am. Like I said, they're a training tool and nothing more. I do not want this on my dogs for the entirety of their life. It is a training tool, and that is it. That is no more than that. I do want to get the like prong cover things. Yeah, so it depends, I guess, what your point of view is. I'm actually kind of curious for my service dog users. What is your point of view on things like chain collars? Moosey, what are you doing? Are you snoring in the wall? Yeah. He has his nose pressed up right against the damn wall and he's snoring. What is your point of view on prong collars? Do you get the covers for this part of it? Do you guys work your dog on a chain collar? Do you work your dog on a flat buckle collar? If so, how did you get there? I am desperately wanting Mufasa to get there for us. Right now, it seems like we're stuck on a chain collar. Anyway, if you guys have any tips with that, please let me know. I'm gonna end the vlog right here. I love you guys, and I hope you guys are having a good day. Bye, guys.